Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
In this video, I will explain how to make delicious lobster cakes from scratch. We'll start by gathering our key ingredients, including about 1 pound of fresh or cooked lobster meat. You'll also need binding agents like mayonnaise, 1 large egg, and some panko breadcrumbs. Don't forget your essential seasonings such as Old Bay, fresh lemon juice, and chopped parsley to enhance the flavor profile. Once your lobster meat is ready, gently chop it into half-inch pieces. In a spacious bowl, combine the chopped lobster with about 1/4 cup of mayonnaise, 1 beaten egg, and your chosen seasonings. This mixture forms the flavorful base. Then, carefully fold in approximately 1/2 cup of panko breadcrumbs. Be sure not to overmix, as this helps maintain the tender texture of the lobster. Now it's time to shape your lobster cakes. Divide the mixture into 8 equal portions, each about 1/4 cup in size. Gently form each portion into a patty, aiming for approximately 1 inch in thickness. This consistent size ensures even cooking. After forming, place the cakes on a plate and chill them in the refrigerator for at least 30 minutes. This crucial step helps them firm up, preventing them from falling apart during cooking. Finally, let's cook these delicious lobster cakes. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil in a skillet over medium heat. Carefully place the chilled cakes in the pan and cook for about 3 minutes per side, until they are beautifully golden brown and heated through. Ensure they reach an internal temperature of 165 degrees Fahrenheit for safety. Serve them immediately with fresh lemon wedges or a zesty remoulade sauce for an unforgettable meal.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.